Can newcomers open a TFSA? In our last video, we explained what a TFSA is and how it works. And in this video, we're going to answer the question, can newcomers open a TFSA? The short answer is yes. But you must be 18 years or older and have a Canadian SIN. A TFSA can be opened by any Canadian resident, even newcomers. If you have a SIN, you can start contributing to your TFSA right away. If you don't have a SIN, you can still open a TFSA, but you'll have to wait until you get one. A SIN is a unique 9-digit number that Service Canada issues to you when you apply for one online or in person. It's free, and once you have your SIN, you can open a TFSA account with any financial institution in Canada. Thanks for listening. Subscribe for more videos like this. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.